Hi friend. Today I'm going to show you Hik camera, forget password, how to reset. Before there is you have to take the serial number, send it to by send email, then they will reply. There is many things are there, but this option what I'm going to show you, it's very easy method. Let's go. I'll show you first. Forget my password. So let's go to see how I'm going to fix this reset password. Thank you. SADP tools. Go to Google and type SADP tools, then you can download it. I have already downloaded, so I'll open it here. So I'll scan this automatically. When you download this one, automatically show the camera where connected. The thing is, my camera IP is 10.10.134.2. My computer IP is 192.168.0.213. So if I will go to log into the camera, I'm unable to log in. Let me show you to 10.10.134.2. It won't, because the IP range is different. For this case, you have to add IP address here. Advance, add 10.10.134. You have to put any number. I will put like a 50, 255, 255, 255. Okay, login and yes, okay, close. Now you can see I'm able to access the camera. I've tried my password, but I have tried many times. I forget the password. So next option, let's go to the easy method. So I forget the password. So what I have to do? Easy way. Connect the cable for the switch. Here's a camera. This password is not working. Okay. You have to download Hik Partner Pro. And you have to access with Hik Partner Pro, register and log in with that one. Okay. There is a five. You can see the below screen: home, product, site, explore, me. Go to the me and online support case. Service market support. You can see support down. Online support case. Third option. Open new case. Device reset password. LAN connected with. There is no internet. Then select second option. Okay. Scan the camera password. Serial number. Then take a picture of label invoice. Upload it. And third one, select the camera, forget the password, QR code, and you have to scan this QR code on this application and agree, confirm. The support team will send us for the code. Okay, now you can see the second one, the in progress. So we will receive the support team, they will send us the code. Wait. So support team, they send us the code of new. You can see here. So You have to type your code 67429D0, and you have to put the new password, whatever you want. Confirm. Password reset successfully. Log. Okay. So you see, I view, download the plug. In the file. Now you can see the camera is up now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.